winter is freezing and trees start to blow. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. So I came to this place. I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
みりん
Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the
だし
last day.
だしもちょっと入れますはい
I just picked your name on the coffee
片
cup,
栗粉もちょっと
but this talk of luck, the guy just messed up and gave
混ぜましょ
you
う
a cup.
最後にカットしたニラと玉ねぎ
Oh, no, 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 no. So I was wrapping the cups, and after a while, I was wrapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. Cause I came to this place
表を裏にしてまず焼き目をつけます混ぜます次はタヒに白ごまのペーストを入れます油が浮いてるからちょっと混ぜて
just filled with my soul, and so I came to this place. I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
じゃあ冷蔵庫で冷やしま
You
す
don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last day here. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but as talk of luck, the guy just messed up and gave you a cup.
ここ来ました。おー、塩だ。いっぱい。
Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
かわいい。
I'm gonna get this for you for Christmas.
Sophia has a bigger one, right?
She has a rounder one, a different one, but yeah, it's cute. This is
なんか
cute,
い
I
っぱい
think.
あってかわいい。
I like it.
うん。
That's cute.
21ドル99。
I think Sophie'd appreciate it, right?
うんあ、ヨーダのレゴもある。
Oh, more Yoda.
うん。
Oh, that's cool. You just touch it and it moves according to your hand.
え
Okay,
飛びもね、メ
I
グ
wanna。think about that. That'd be cool.
あら。
Cool stocking stuffer.
うん
That'd be cool.
うん。
I think it'd be cool. You just put your hand under it and it floats higher and yeah.
なんかマグカップが。
Let's see. Obviously, that'll be you. That
あ
would
れ
be
でも
me.
ね、
Who would Sophie be? Maybe the pig?
いや
No, that would be me.
シーフードのコーナー。おお、結構立派。ティラピア。サーモンはちょっと向こうにもあるから、向こうを見て決めましょう。エビと、これにしようかな。これにしますよ。
I'm gonna get bored. Party time at work tomorrow.
職場に持っていくらしいです。あ、すごい大きなパンプキンパイ。こんなにマフィン持って。
A lot of unhealthiness, but it's sure gonna taste good. Alright. She likes the red one, purple one,
う
right?
ん。
Right here.
4ドル79。あ、アスパラを買います。3ドル99。マッシュルームが5ドル99。しいたけ買います。7ドル99。なんか持ってます。
That's a good deal, though.
う
$6?
ん。
I think it's a good deal. You want to get some?
いや。
You getting those?
うん。
Or do you like pomegranate?
いや。梨と重たい梨も買います。8ドル99。
Oh, yeah, peppermint.
あ
It does look good, huh?
ー、いや。I wanna get this.
Oh, chocolate chip roll. Oh, yeah, yeah,
10ドル49。
yeah. Belgium, yeah, let's try it. Pretty good.
Or this one?
Nah, this will give us a bigger variety, I think.
うん。チキンカツとか売ってる。初めて見た。これ5ドル79。あ、重さだ。重さによって。
I've never seen that before.
うん。
It's gonna get it.
Yeah,
Oh, it comes with the sauce and everything.
Yeah, we can do it. 今日はちょっと人が多めです。まあ週末だし。あ、シュリンプ買ってます。あ、サラダも買おうかな。
One or
サ
two?
ラダも買います。ワン。
Oh, want to get tortellini for dinner?
あ、ソフィー大好き。はい
Yeah, we like it.
ソフィーの好きなトルティーニ。10ドル79。
That's what you can get me for Christmas, babe, right here. The Coca-Cola pack. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I think it's cool. I don't know what we do with the bucket, but I like it. I like the old school one right here.
いや
Anything over there? What is that? Mint
Chocolate.
chocolates. Oh, that's a chocolate
Yeah,
pack.
チョコレ
Okay.
ートチョコレート。
More European cookies, chocolate cookies.
ああ、interesting.
Oh, what is it? 12 German beers. Interesting. I don't drink much beer, so that's cool though. Ooh, fancy chocolates. Oh, these are fudge mint cookies.
あ、オニオンスープ。あ、これも初めて見たような気がする。
Gosh, I mean, it's super close,
8ドル。ちょっとシュリンプを買います。シュリンプ。16ドル41。
Get some tempura shrimp.
あ、いや。
You like it, right?
18ドル。
Oh, they make it look like it's all huge, and then you pull this little box.
いや、ちっちゃかった思ったよ
So
り。
sneaky, sneaky.
これも買っとこうかな。これと、
You like,
One more.
You like extra virgin olive oil?
and one more smaller。これがいいかな。これでいいかな。あ、いや。
Seaweed, yes.
Yes。10ドルぐらい。 9ドル59。あ、キヌアを買いましょう。キヌアは99。イエス。トマトキャン。
One or two?
One?
Two?
One. We still have one actually.
はい、ニラの漬けだれを作ります。ちょっといつも量は適当です。今日ちょっとカップを使ってだいたい測ってみましょう。あと今日はニラがたくさんあるので多めに作ります。ちょうどなくなっちゃった。はい、これでいきましょう。お醤油入れて、あとお酒はイメージとしてはお醤油の 80% ぐらい入れるかな。 80% 入れて、もうちょっとかな入れて、なので次はみりんも 80% ぐらいかな。ちょっと甘めにしてで、あとはお酢がだからどのくらい入れてるかな。みりんとかお酒のその半分ぐらいだから 40% ぐらい。お酢ちょっと多めとだけだしを入れます。はい、ここに鷹の爪の代わりに私はこれレッドチリペッパーを使っています。お好みで入れて、あとはコチュジャン、これも家にあるからコチュジャンを使っています。どのくらいかな、大さじ1とかかな。で、これくらいかな。で、最後に鰹節も入れて煮立たせます。では冷まします。冷ましてニラにかけます。はい、液につけて一晩置きます。大体一晩置けば OK です。